Hello, riders. Since the beginning of this riding season, a whole bunch of people already lost their lives here in the UAE. Some of them I knew personally, and it is tragic. Man, I love you. I don't want you to die. Man, woman, whatever. A few things you can do for yourself to not die on a motorcycle. Number one being don't get on a motorcycle. If you already got on a motorcycle, make sure it's a motorcycle that's in good working order. You take care of your bike will take care of you. Get yourself a driver's license and a couple of advanced skills. Wheelies and burnouts are not those skills. I'm talking about emergency braking, swerving, and avoiding target fixation. These are things you need to practice. So practice them before you're out there on the streets getting yourself in a whole lot of trouble. Now, if you already gotten into an accident, there are three things that can kill you: brain trauma, head trauma, neck fracture, and internal bleeding. Yeah, decapitation will kill you as well, but I mean, we don't want to talk about that. So get yourself a decent helmet, decentest that you can afford. Have as much armor around your body as humanly possible. And try wear a neck protector. Do you wear a neck protector? Let me know. Comments are right down below. And all of these things are not gonna save you if you're gonna ride like a total douchebag. If you're gonna be crazy and race and, you know, play with the devil, well, he's gonna come and get you. There is a time and place for everything, for racing too, and street is not that. So please, listen to what I'm telling you. Okay, like, share, subscribe. I was I wanted to be short and right on point. Have no idea how long this video lasted because I'm just turning these slaloms like a madman. Oh, thanks for watching, huh? I'll see you around.